Public is an all-in-one investing platform that offers options trading, bonds, stocks, ETFs, and more. Public is trying to make investing social. It's kind of like a brokerage account combined with a social media platform. You can follow other users and keep up to date with their investing activity. You can access the social part of this brokerage by going into the Feed tab. Truth be told, I'm not the biggest fan of the social aspect of this app. It reminds me of Twitter or X. It seems to be the typical post around hyping up stocks that are popular. I'm getting recommended posts from people who are still investing in meme stocks like AMC and GameStop, for example. You also get news articles, which is something I've seen with other brokerage accounts as well. My problem with this is that most posts and most articles seem to revolve around short-term fear. Whether that is fear of missing out on big gains or fear of the stock going lower. Most users would likely profit more in the long term from just consistently buying an index fund like VOO or VTI and holding it for the long term. Still, some users may find value from the social aspect of Public. Then again, you could probably find the same post and more on X. Public does not charge any commission fees on stocks or ETFs, and there are no account minimums. Buying stocks and ETFs is easy to do with Public. Just click the search bar and type in the name or ticker symbol of whatever stock or ETF you are looking for. Do note that Public does not offer mutual funds. Otherwise, you could just simply purchase the stock or ETF with as little as $1 because they have fractional shares, or you can purchase in full shares. You could do extended hours trading, limit orders, and stop orders. And Public also has automatic investing, which allows users to automatically invest in their choice of stock or ETF on a recurring basis. You can also vote with your shares. Users can set up a recurring plan. For example, you can have VTI at 80% of your portfolio with VXUS at 20%. This would give you exposure to pretty much the entire public US and international stock market. You can fund this plan every day, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You can also have your dividends auto-reinvested, which makes it easier to automatically invest. And you can also make a watch list and, of course, see your gains and losses. Public also has investment plans. You can build your own, pick one from the marketplace, or get recommended one. So Public can build a portfolio for you based on your own risk tolerance, which the suggestions they give are more than likely going to be in low expense ratio ETFs. I do have to give Public some credit for how they have everything set up. The interface is clean, and I love the idea of recurring plans. One problem that I do have is that Public currently does not offer IRAs. It's just a taxable brokerage account. IRAs are very useful for building long-term wealth, since they are tax advantaged. Hopefully Public will add IRAs at some point in the future. Public does have a welcome bonus. Users will get $20 worth of stock when they sign up using someone's referral link and fund their account with at least $1,000. Users will also earn 0.10 cents per option contract traded. My link will be down below. Public also offers alternative investments, which there is a 2.5% fee per transaction on alternative assets. Alternative assets allow users to diversify their portfolio with shares of alternative assets, like fine art and collectibles. Here are some examples that are currently popular. There's a first edition Charizard, Shrek franchise original music, royalties, and a rare sneaker portfolio. I'm not sure how good any of these investments actually are and have done no research on them. I would imagine many of these alternative assets might be a bit overpriced or risky. You also have to consider the 2.5% trading fee associated with them, and potentially high asset management fees. Public also offers bonds which are paying a pretty high yield right now. Users can invest in Treasury and corporate bonds. You can filter bonds by their type, maturity, yield, coupon, S&P rating. Users can earn yield on Treasuries by investing in 6-month T-bills. The current yield to maturity is 5.37%, and Public also has a high-yield savings account that is FDIC insured up to $5 million. This savings account has no annual fees and pays a whopping 5.1% APY. This savings account has no fees, no minimum balance required, no minimum balance limit, and allows for unlimited transfers and withdrawals. Public has options trading. There are no commission fees or per contract fees. Public even offers a rebate that ranges from 0.6 cents per option contract up to 0.18 cents. Users can increase their rebates by referring friends. You can of course trade cryptocurrencies with Public. although there is a fee when trading cryptocurrencies. The fee ranges from 0.49 cents to $6.29 per trade. The lowest fee is 1.25% of the order when you have recurring purchases or make a purchase of $500 and a penny or more. Public does not offer cryptocurrency wallets. In order to get your crypto off of Public, you will need to sell your cryptocurrencies, since you cannot do a transfer to an external wallet. I cannot recommend buying cryptocurrencies with Public. Public also offers a premium version. Public Premium is free for users who have an account value of $20,000 or more, or they can pay $10 per month or $8 per month when paying yearly. Premium offers VIP support, has extended hours trading, and advanced data and insights. I personally wouldn't pay for Public Premium. To wrap it up, Public has a very clean and easy to use app. Everything is in the app, including the ability to chat with customer support, and everything is pretty easy to find inside of the app. I'm not the biggest fan of the social features since it just feels like Twitter or X. The biggest con in my opinion would be that they do not offer IRAs. IRAs are tax advantaged and a great way to build long-term wealth. Because of this, long-term investors may want to consider having another brokerage account somewhere else that offers IRAs. Otherwise, what Public has on offer is definitely solid. Public has added a lot since I last looked at them. For someone looking for a taxable brokerage account, Public is a very solid option to consider, especially since they have extra features like being able to set up a recurring plan, which would allow users to invest in the S&P 500, maybe throw some money into an index fund that tracks international stocks, and possibly even some bonds, and automatically invest in that on a percentage basis.